Today we are working on Excel Lesson 8, the first lesson, customizing the Quick Access Toolbar. So this is what you should have open. Step 1 says click Customize Quick Access Toolbar at the far right at the Quick Access Toolbar. So if you remember, this is your Quick Access Toolbar. This button right here is Customize Quick Access Toolbar. Click Quick Print. Click Customize Access Toolbar. Then click Print Preview and Print. The Quick Access Toolbar now includes those two things. You see them right here. Mark is answered. Go to the next one. Click the Customize Quick Access Toolbar and then click Quick Print. That button is now removed. Click File. Click Options. Then click Quick Access Toolbar, and the list displayed on the right. Click Print Preview and Print, and click Remove, and then click OK. So it shows you two different ways to add things and remove things from the Quick Access Toolbar. Submit that, get our two green checks. There they are. So this completes customizing the Quick Access Toolbar.